In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify account on AliExpress. Verifying your account helps protect your purchases, speeds up checkout, and ensures you receive important notifications about orders and delivery. You can do this from either the AliExpress app or the website, and the process is almost identical in both places. Start by opening AliExpress and logging into your account. Make sure you're signing into the correct profile you use for shopping. If you're on the app, tap the Account tab. On desktop, look for your profile area at the top right. From there, go to Settings, then open the Security section. This is where AliExpress keeps your verification and protection tools in one place, so you can manage them easily. Next, choose whether you want to verify your email or your phone number. Pick the method you use the most. Email is great for password recovery and receiving order updates. While a phone number can make sign-ins and alerts faster, you can always come back to verify the other method later if you'd like, but for now, just select the one you prefer. When prompted, enter your email address or your phone number. Take a moment to double-check for typos. If you're entering a phone number, confirm the correct country code is selected. For email, use an inbox you actively check, not a temporary address, so you don't miss important messages. AliExpress will send you a one-time verification code. If you chose email, open your inbox and look for the message within a minute or so. Check your spam or promotions folder if you don't see it right away. If you chose phone, watch for an SMS with the code. These codes expire, so enter it as soon as you receive it and avoid sharing it with anyone. If the code doesn't arrive, wait a moment and look for a resend option. Also ensure you have a stable internet connection and that your device can receive messages. Type the verification code into the field provided and select Confirm. You should see a success message indicating that verification is complete. That's it. Your account is now verified. From here, your login and checkout experience should be smoother, and recovery options will be more reliable if you ever need them. If you run into any hiccups, make sure your email inbox isn't full, your phone number is correct with the proper country code, and your device time and date settings are accurate. Then try again. Once you're verified, you're all set to shop with added peace of mind.